If you have a roof leak in your home, or maybe something just doesn't look right with your roof, you're probably wondering if it's time for a roof replacement or if you can get by with a roof repair. Well, in this video, we're going to go over that and a good rule of thumb of whether or not you can get by with just a roof repair. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company, and thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get into it. Do I need a roof repair or roof replacement? Damages that require a roof replacement are hail damage, major installation errors, and strong straight line winds that could blow off shingles. If you're experiencing granule loss or your roof is just near the end of its lifespan, then it's time for a roof replacement. If you're having some minor problems, maybe a couple of torn shingles, a leak around a pipe jack or some flashing, or maybe just even a couple of shingles missing, then you can probably get by with just a repair. When is it better to replace your roof instead of a repair? If a roof repair is going to cost more than 30% of what it's going to cost to replace your roof, then go ahead and get a roof replacement. If you want to know more about how much a roof repair costs, then click on our link below to watch another video about how much roof repairs cost. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company, and thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember, like and subscribe so we can educate more homeowners like yourself. We'll see you on the next one.